Father imprisoned for sexually molesting his daughter. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A father who pleaded guilty to sexually molesting his 13-year-old daughter was sentenced to several years of imprisonment in the St. Catherine Circuit Court on Tuesday. He was given 11 years and 11 months for grievous sexual assault, 3 years and 2 months for sexual touching, and 3 years and 2 months for incest. The sentences are to run concurrently. The 36-year-old man committed the acts over several months, which began in September 2021. The ordeal was revealed to a relative and a report was made to the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse. The father was subsequently arrested and charged. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.